Hello everybody, welcome back to another video of the Show Me Mirage track. I hope you're having a very good evening so far. I am too. In this video, guys, we're going to be tracking the U.S. weather forecast, guys. I've got this heat dome that is taking place right now for parts of the central U.S. and Ohio Valley, guys. How long this heat is going to last and how hot it's going to get. So, if you like the detailed videos to my channel, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss another upload. So, let's get right into the video. So, right now, guys, looking at the map, you can see. And why is it going so fast? I don't know what's going so fast, but I'm not gonna worry about it. So you can see essentially it's the South Central U.S. guys. It's gonna be warm. You can see. Maybe I did something down here. I don't know. So you can see the South Central U.S. pretty region. Got region right here, guys. You can even see the rich high pressure on the map, on this map right. You can see this, guys. That's the reason why temperatures is much above average right now. Is because it's rich high pressure that's in place right now. That's keeping temperatures much warmer than average. So yeah. So now let's get right towards the U.S. weather forecast. So what we're gonna be like? So I'm gonna see any rain with this heat. Will possibly maybe a little bit of rain, but not as much. So by the time we get towards this weekend, the next week, guys, you see we're gonna have some rain for parts of Ohio Valley. We're not a little bit of rain in Ohio Valley. The southeast is gonna be wet. The upper Midwest and the Midwest is gonna be wet, guys. And by the time we get towards mid next week through late next week, you can see we might get some showers and storms in parts of the Ohio Valley and the southeast U.S. and that will stretch. Now that stretches all the way towards the northeast and the mid, not the northeast, but the mid-Atlantic, guys. The Carolinas getting some rain. By the time we get towards the week after next, you can see one thing we do need to watch, guys, is a tropical system that might be brewing towards the southeast U.S. coast. So we need to kind of keep an eye on the charts. I will have my tropical video up this evening after this video gets uploaded. So yes, please stay tuned for that. So yeah. Now temperatures. Temperatures cannot get no higher than this, guys. I mean, it is not feeling like September at all for a lot of people in the central, southeast, and central U.S. So by the time we get towards this weekend, guys, you can see this heat will continue all the way through next week, guys. It's gonna be very hot, feeling like August, July, late July, early August for a lot of people in the South Central U.S. and the Central U.S. and even parts of Ohio Valley possibly. You will see this heat continue up in mid to upper 90s for parts of Ohio Valley, including not Ohio Valley, but South Central U.S. including Texas, Oklahoma, Louisiana, even parts of Mississippi. They're getting this very heat. This continue all the way through early next week, which is mid-September. You will see this. All this heat will continue all the way towards mid next week. Get into late next week, still gonna have this hot temperatures from place to parts of the Tennessee and Ohio Valley, Mississippi Valley. You can see this very hot. And then the South Central U.S. gets very hot. Still feeling like summertime for a lot of people as we get into late September. Which is this is officially, guys. This is the official day of fall right here, guys. And look at this. Fall is September 23rd, September 22nd, September 3rd, guys. And look at this. Temperature being in the 90s. So, yeah. Let's get right towards above our anomalies, guys. These anomalies is crazy. I mean, especially up here towards Canada, very crazy. So as getting towards next week, guys, we got still how you blow our anomalies to parts of Florida and Georgia and the Carolinas, but the central U.S. and the Ohio Valley, and even up towards Canada, it's gonna see above our anomalies. Even getting towards late next week through next weekend, guys, you can see things will not cool down nowhere near soon. Maybe for the northeast and the southeast U.S., but the central U.S. and the excuse me, in the Ohio Valley, guys, is going to see above average temperatures, and this will continue all the way towards late September. What's causing above average temperatures? Well, thanks for this rich high pressure that's going to be in place right now. It's keeping temperatures well above average, guys. We do guys up a low that is spin up towards southeast, so it's bringing the weather and cooler conditions down towards Florida. So yeah, so up low right here, guys. You see the up low spinning right up there, and this up low does start to move far towards the north. That's gonna bring showers and storms for parts of the southeast U.S. coast. While we got a lot of region for parts of the central U.S. and Ohio Valley. And this region will continue all the way through next week, through late next week, through next weekend, guys. And boom. It finally gets higher just a little bit, and it comes right back by swinging toward late September. So this heat is not going nowhere near soon. It's not leaving nowhere near soon. 500 millibar height anomaly, guys. You can see 500 millibar night anomaly. You can see all this rigid in place, guys. You can see all this rigid in place. It will start to build up by tugging towards the latter part of next week into the week after next. You can see next weekend. You can see this rigid. We're gonna start to break it loose just a little bit, but you can see this. Next chart might come through. Besides that, end of this is gonna be ready. Yes, guys, I will be watching the tropics by the time I get towards after this video. So I'll have a tropical update on the tropics after this video. I'm waiting for the GFS to finish rendering so I can upload my tropical update video later this evening. So now it's a 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, guys. You can see, because of this rigid high pressure that's going to be in place right now, I'm about to do my chocolate. I think I can do my chocolate video after this video. As soon as I upload this video, I'm going to get on YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and do my chocolate update video and get that uploaded. Upload the videos in the same time. So, you can see, sorry about the background noise. So the whole U.S., including the southeast, guys, gonna see above average temperatures, and the upper Midwest and the Midwest and the Southwest is gonna see below, and Central U.S. gonna see above average precipitation. The South Central U.S. gonna see below average precipitation. Florida and the Carolinas and Georgia is gonna see above average precipitation, while the Northeast is gonna see below average precipitation. The whole map of the U.S., guys, is going to see above average that's precipitation, but temperatures. And the parts of the Northeast going to see below average precipitation. Florida going to see above average precipitation. Florida going to see above average precipitation, and in parts of the South U.S. going to see below average precipitation, while the upper Midwest and the Midwest and the West and the Southwest going to see above average precipitation. I do want to show you this, guys. A lot of you expect to come back by the time we get towards the fall months, and it will diminish a little bit by the time we get towards the winter months before heading back towards neutral. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Peace.